Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the previous class, I explained the Al-Murakkab al-Idafi, possessible phrase, and today I am going to explain the Al-Murakkab al-Tawsifi, adjectival phrase. And as you know, this lesson is for the intermediate second year Arabic students for the academic year 2021 and 22. So today I am going to study the second lesson from the grammar part. So let's study what is the Al-Murakkab al-Tawsifi. It had been given already in the previous video also. What are the lessons will be covered from the poetry, from the grammar section, and what will be the weightage of marks from grammar section. So this one no need to explain again, already you knew this one. Here Al-Murakkab al-Tawsifi. First of all, keep in your mind, as we have learned earlier, Al-Murakkab means compound or phrase, or Tawsifi means adjectival. So, as you learned earlier, Al-Murakkab al-Idafi, there will be two noun, and here Al-Murakkab al-Tawsifi also will be two noun. And remember, the first noun is called Mawsuf and second one is called Sifat. Mawsuf means noun qualified, Sifat means adjective. This is also phrase, so does not give the full sense. Al-Murakkab al-Tawsifi yashtamilu ala al-ismi wa sifatihi. Adjectival phrase is consist on the noun and its adjective. فَأَوَّلُهُمَا مَوْصُوف. So first one is mawsuf, noun qualified. وَآخَرُهُمَا صِفَةٌ. Another one is called sifat, adjective. Al-mawsuf, the noun qualified. What is noun qualified? Al-ismu alladhi ya'ti qabla sifati, the noun which comes after, before sifat. That means noun qualified will come first and sifat will be in the second position. So al-mawsuf comes before sifat, before adjective. As-sifat, what is sifat? Lafzun yadullu ala sifatin fi ismin qablahu. It is an adjective of the ism which is mentioned earlier. That means first one noun will be there, then after the adjective of that noun will be mentioned in the second positions. وَيَتْبِعُ الْمَوْصُوفُ فِي الْإِعْرَابِ وَالْعَدَدِ وَالتَّأْنِيثِ وَالتَّعْرِيفِ وَالتَّنْكِيرِ. And they will be agree to each other. Means mawsuf and sifat will be agree in the i'rab, adad, tanis, tarif and tankir. I'rab means the last harakat of the word. If mawsuf has pesh, sifat also will be having the pesh. So there will be equal in i'rab. Wal adad means number. If mawsuf, the first one, is singular, sifat also will be singular. If the mawsuf first one is dual, sifat also will be dual. If the first one mawsuf is plural, sifat also will be plural. Likewise, tanis, muzakkar, muannas, and proper noun, common noun, tankir, common noun. So if first one is muannas, second one is also will be muannas. If first one is muzakkar, second one also will be muannas. If first one is marifa, second one also will be marifa. If first one is nakira, common noun, second adjective will be also common. Have a look here in English. A combination depends upon two nouns. Two nouns combination will be there. Combination. The first one is called as qualified, means mawsuf. And second one is called as adjective, sifat. They will agree to each other in gender, means muzakkar muannas, number means adad, and common noun means nakira, tankir, and proper noun means ma'rifa. So they will agree to each other in these i'rab, adad, tanis, tarif, tankir. Have a look at the example here. Lughatun sahlatun, talibun zakiyun. Lughatun sahlatun, an easy language. Talibun zakiyun, an intelligent student. Al baytul jadidu, the new house. Baytun jadidun, a new house. Lughatun, what is lughatun? Lughatun mawsuf. First mawsuf will come, means qualified, noun qualified. Lughat, language. Sifatun will come in the next position. Lughatun sahlatun, easy, an easy language. You have to translate first adjective, then after noun qualified. Talibun zakiyun, talibun mawsuf, zakiyun sifat. Have a look here. Lughatun is a tanis, muannas. That is why sifat also muannas, sahlatun. What are the indications of muannas? Feminine, you know. Round ta, alif, hamza, and ya. If they come at the end of the word, in that case, that word will be called as a feminine, muannas. Talibun is a muzakkar. That is why sifat of talib is also muzakkar, zakiyun. This is singular, that is why this is also singular. So first part is mawsuf and second part is sifatun. Likewise, you have learnt in the previous phrase, which is al-murakkabul idafi. The same thing is also here. Then after al-baytul jadidu, the first one is mawsuf, second one is sifat. Mawsuf means noun qualified, sifat means adjective. So they will agree to each other in the ta'rif, ma'rifa. Alif lam, definite article of alif lam is in Arabic. What is the definite article in Arabic? Alif lam is a definite article of Arabic. So alif lam means ma'rifa, proper noun. If mawsuf is proper noun, sifat also will be proper noun. Have a look here. Al-baytu al-jadidu. I'rab. Ta has pesh, dal hai pesh, has pesh. So will be same in i'rab also. Baytun, tun, jadidun. Ta has tanween, do pesh, Dal is also having the same thing. Baitun is a common noun without alif. The sifat also common noun. Baitun mausuf, jadidun sifat. So, just you remember and memorize the three examples. Like lughatun sahalatun. First one mausuf, second one sifat. Al baytul jadidu, first one mausuf, second one sifat. Baytun jadidun, first one mausuf, second one sifat. Such a questions will be asked in the bit number 13, and there will be 4 sections A, B, C, D. So among these 4 sections, in any section under A or under B or under C, these questions will be asked. What will be the questions? Uktub al-murakkab al-tawsifi. Uktub al-murakkab al-tawsifi bil amthila. So you have to write the examples from your side, from your own. Then you have to mention what is the mausuf and what is the sifat. For that you will get 4 marks. And this questions is compulsory questions in bit number 13. Remember this one. If you have understood the mausuf sifat, after remaining all the examples will be very easy. Now read the example. Translation are given here. Mudarrisun mahirun. If I ask you, what is the mausuf, what is the sifat here? 2 noun is there. You have to write mudarris is a mausuf because mausuf will come first, and mahir is a sifat because sifat will come in the next. Translation in English, first you have to translate the adjective, then noun qualified. Mahirun expert is an adjective. So, an expert teacher. Talibun mustahidun, a laborious student. Talibun kaslanun, a lazy student. Kaslanun lazy. Khattun jamilun, rajulun rahimun, mudirun jadidun, suqun kabirun, manzarun khallabun. So, everywhere you have to translate first. Second part of this phrase means sifat, adjective. Then noun qualified. Lazy student, a beautiful writing, kind man, rajulun man, new principal, big market, and attractive scene, manzarun khalla. Everywhere 2 parts are there, 2 words are there. First one will be called mausuf and second one will be called sifat. Here also some examples are given. I think no need to read the English. Just remember, first you have to translate the adjective, then noun qualified. Means from left to right you have to translate. Qamizun abiyaz, a white shirt. Abiyaz, white, qamisun shirt. Qamiz is a mausuf, abiyaz is a sifat. Madinatun qadimatun, an old city. Qadimatun old. Kulliyatun numuzajiyatun, mudiratun jadidatun, fakihatun lazizatun, lughatun sahlatun, ar-rasulul kareem, al-malikul quddus, al-qismul arabiyu, الطالب المجتهد المدرس القديم المدير الجديد المدرسة القديمة البنت الذكية الطالبة المجتهدة المديرة الجديدة الكتب النافعة أشياء نادرة الأزهار الجميلة الفنادق الكبيرة. Everywhere first one will be mausuf and second one will be sifat, and you have to translate from left to right. That means you have to translate first adjective, then noun qualified. Like easy language, new principal, old city, delicious fruit, fakihatun fruit, lazidatun delicious. Then here also Some examples are given: al-a'malu salihatu, al-manafi'u al-kasiratu, al-biladu raqiyatu. So till here, all the words were murakkabut tawsifi. But here, on this page, from here, the sentences are given, and sentences give full sense. So you have to pick out the phrase from this sentence, like Haza Rajulu Abbas. This is sentence. There is no phrase. Abbasun Tajirun Ghaniyun. Abbas is a rich trader. So just you remove Abbas, Tajirun Ghaniyun, rich trader. It is phrase. Hamidun Mudarrisun. Hamid is a teacher. There is no phrase. Hamidun Mudarrisun Jadidun. Just you remove the Hamid, then Mudarrisun Jadidun, new teacher, is a phrase. Because phrase does not give the full sense. Haza Tufahun, At-Tufahu Fakihatun Lazizatun. Fakihatun Lazizatun will be the answer. Zalika Usfurun, Ana Talibun, Al-Arabiyyatu Lugatun Sahlatun, Al-Qur'anu Dusturun Ilahiyun, Ammarun Talibun Mujtahidun, At-Talibun Mujtahidatu Faizun, At-Tabibatul Mahiratu Mawjudatun, At-Talibatul Mujtahidatu Jalisatun, Al-Mudiratul Jadidatu Mawjudatun, Al-Mudiru Rajulun Muhtaramun. So everywhere the first one is Mubtada, subject. You have to remove the first word. Then after, second one will be the Mawsuf and Sifat. Suppose Al-Arabiyyatu, just remove Al-Arabiyya. Lugatun Sahlatun is a Mawsuf Sifat. Lugatun Mawsuf Sahlatun Sifat. Yasirun Talibun Zakiyun. Remove the Yasir. Talibun Zakiyun, intelligent student, is a Murakkabut Tawsifi. Mahmudun Talibun Kaslan. Just remove the Mahmud. Talibun Kaslanun will be the Mawsuf Sifat. Likewise, everywhere. Al-Madrasatul Qadimatu. Here, the first one is Mawsuf Sifat. Mahiratun is a Khabar. So remove this one. Al-Muhandisatul Jadidatu is a answer, adjectival phrase. Muhtaramatun is a predict, khabar. Mahirun khabar. As-Sayyaratul Qadimatu, adjectival phrase. Madinatun Jamilatun is adjectival phrase. Al-Qur'anu Mu'jizatun Khalidatun li Rasulillahi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Here, Mu'jizatun Khalidatun is a adjectival phrase. Al-A'malu Salihatu is a adjectival phrase. Al-Hayawanatul Kabiratu Mawjudatun fi Hadiqatil Haywanat. Al-Hayawanat Al-Kabiratu. Here Alif Lam, here also Alif Lam. So this part of this sentence is Al-Murakkabut Tawsifi. Here exercises are given. Uktub al-Juzain min al-Murakkabit Tawsifi bil-Amthila. The same questions would be asked in the bit number 13, and you have to write like this. Al-Baytul Jadid, Baytun Jadidun. Al-Baytu al-Mawsuf, noun qualified. Al-Jadidu is a sifat, adjective. So you have to mention you have to write from your own these examples, and you have to mention what is the Mawsuf and what is the sifat. Baytun al-Mawsuf, Jadidun al-Sifat. Already you know the meaning of al-Mawsuf, noun qualified, remember, which will come in the first. And second one, as-Sifatu means adjective, which will come in the second position. Ayyin al-Murakkabut Tawsifi. Identify the adjectival phrase. As you have learned on the previous page, the same thing are repeated here, but here answer also are given for your convenience. Adjectival phrase. Mahmudun Talibun Kaslanun is a sentence. You have to pick out the adjectival phrase from this sentence. So everywhere the answer are given at-tabibatul mahiratu mawjudatun. At-tabibatul mahiratu is the answer. First one mawsuf, second one sifat. Al-muhandisatul jadidatu muhtaramatun. Muhtaramatun is extra, is khabar. Al-muhandisatul jadidatu is the answer. At-talibatul mujtahidatu is the answer. Al-arabiyatu lughatun sahlatun. Lughatun sahlatun is the answer. Hamidun mudarrisun jadidun. A new teacher. Mudarrisun jadid is the answer. At-tufahu fakihatun lazizatun. Fakihatun lazizatun, delicious food, fruit is the answer. Al-usfuru ta'irun saghirun. Ta'irun saghirun is the answer. So these are the sentences, and from these sentences you have to pick out the phrase which is adjectival phrase as are given here. You have to practice. Next, fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks would be asked in the bit number 15 for 6 marks. 6 questions will be given. There will be no choice. You have to answer the 6 questions. 6 marks will be given. هذه مدرسة مشهورة. هذه مدرسة مشهورة. هؤلاء مهندسون مجتهدون. هن معلمات جيدات. هذه حديقة جميلة. هما طالبان جيدان. Here the words are given. So the suitable words you have to use. هذه مدرسة مشهورة. This is a famous school. هؤلاء مهندسون مجتهدون. These are hard-working engineers. هن معلمات جيدات. They are good teachers. هذه حديقة جميلة. This is a beautiful garden. هما طالبان جيدان. They both are the good students. So مدرسة طالبان مهندسون حديقة معلمات. مدرسة school. طالبان 2 students. مهندسون engineers plural form. حديقة garden. معلمات teachers. So for 6 marks would be asked in the final examinations, compulsory questions. So maybe 1 or 2 would become in the final examinations, not compulsory. It is not necessary to come in the final examinations all the questions, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe no, because altogether you have to study at least 25 or 30, fill in the blanks for getting 6 marks. इमलाइल फराग बिसिफतिल मुनासिबा. अना तालिबुन जदीद. हाज़िही सय्यारतुन क़दीमतुन. तिल्क हदीक़तुन जमीलतुन. उलाइका औलादुन मुस्तहिदून. नहनु तुज्जारुन मुखलिसून. So here also talibun jadidun. I am a new student. Here mujtahiduna, mukhlisuna, jamilatun, jadidun, qadimatun. Words are given. For suitable words you have to use here. Ana talibun jadid. Here I am a new student. Hazi sayyaratun qadima. This is an old car. Tilka hadiqatun jamila. That is a new garden, beautiful garden. Ulaika auladun mujtahiduna. They are hard-working boys. Nahnu tujjarun mukhlisuna. Mukhlisuna. We are sincere businessmen. Then after qum bi tasheeh al-jumal. Correct the following sentences. In the last bit number 16, such a questions will be asked. Altogether you have 25 to 30. Correct the following. You have to study. Any 5 would be asked in the final examinations in bit number 16 for 5 marks. There will be no any choice. So At-tuffahu fakihatun lazizun. Correct answer is at-tuffahu fakihatun lazizatun. Because fakihatun is a feminine, that is why mawsuf to sifat is laziz. Sifat mawsuf is feminine, sifat also should be feminine. That is why fakihatun lazizatun is the correct answer. Mahmudun talibun al-kaslan. Talibun Mahmud, talibun student. Al-kaslan talibun kaslanun should be. Because talibun is a mawsuf, and mawsuf is without alif lam. Sifat also must be without alif lam. Mahmudun talibun kaslan. Mahmud is a lazy boy, lazy student. Hum awladun saghirun. Saghir is wrong, should be sigharun. Because awlad is a plural form, mawsuf. So sifat also, adjective also should be in plural form. Hum awladun sighar, they are the small boys. Hazi bintun salihatun. Salihatun is a plural, bintun mawsuf is a singular. It should be salihatun. So hazihi bintun salihatun. So these are the wrong and these are the correct sentences. So memorize this one, remember this one, already I translated also. Hazihi bintun salihatun. This is a pious girl. Then after translations, translation would not be asked in the final examination. This is only for your practice. Ana talibun jadidun, already here I am a new student. Al-Arabiyyatu lughatun sahlatun. It is also mentioned earlier. Arabic is an easy language. Al-Quran dusturun ilahiyun. The Holy Quran is a divine law. Yasir talibun zakiyun. Yasir is an intelligent student. Hyderabad madinatun jamilatun. Hyderabad is a beautiful city. So translation would not be asked in the final examination, so don't worry about this section. But this one and this one, fill in the blanks and correct the following sentences. These are the compulsory questions from the grammar part, bit number 16 and bit number 15. So I am going to conclude here. Inshallah, we'll meet again in the next new videos. Till that time, wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.